Hey guys, welcome back to Chaos League Season 2, and we are in Episode 2, and in this matchup, we have the one and only Star. Star, come here. Hello, Star. Are you ready for the match? Yes, alright. For the second competitor, we have the man himself, the guy that beat Phantom Squid in Flood Escape 2, that lost horribly in Season 1, Clicky! Hey, Clicky, it's your second season. How do you feel?
I feel very stressed.
Alright, in today's game, we are going to be playing Bedwars, and we are going to be going first to 2 points. So let's see who wins and advance to the semifinals. Will it be Star, or will it be Clicky? Alright guys, we are now in Bedwars, Star versus Clicky. Let's start this match. Episode 2. Will it be Clicky, the guy who lost in the battle back first in this game, or Star?
Kill yourself, bro.
Back-to-back seasons. Can Clicky win back-to-back round ones? Let's find out. Alright guys, I wanna, you cannot break each other's beds for the first 3 minutes. You can look at the timer on the top right. You guys are allowed to kill each other though. No better. Clicky does not know how to do math.
What do you mean?
How did you miscount the blocks? Okay.
Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
Ooh. This is gonna be interesting. Oh god.
Kill yourself.
Oh, we're gonna win! Star kills Clicky! Star is looting all the ends right now. Ooh, this is pretty big for Star right now.
All in, dreaming.
And Clicky falls off the void. I just watched her jump off live. Editor, please keep that in.
Kill yourself.
Can Star win and secure the first point? Star is cooking more than Clicky right now. Getting the ends and not getting the ends. Clicky, will he fall off in this jump again?
Kill yourself.
Okay, He fell off. Diamond Guardians have spawned. Okay, this is a good way to lose some diamonds right now, chat. Clicky absolutely looting, and Clicky falls off.
I'm
the
stupid! I'm stupid!
Fell off with all the emeralds. Oh, Star! OP! Yo, Star uses emeralds. Okay. And Clicky falling off the void twice. What a good start for Clicky.
Kill yourself.
Star with a freaking diamond sword. Yo, Clicky, step up the game.
Step on my game. I got this in the bag.
Will Star actually cook? Okay, Star with diamond armor. I mean iron armor. Iron armor. Not diamond armor.
Closer damage.
Thanks for getting M's, but Star right there. Will Star kill him? Okay, Clicky building up. Star with the ender pearl going to Clicky's base. Clicky TPing back to base using the home teleport. Will Star get the bed in time? Clicky back. Oh my god, the bed. Oh, it has shield. Star does not know about the shield. 1 minute of the shield. Oh my god, Star killing Clicky up, killing Clicky. He's breaking the shield. Bed exposed. Now he's gotta wait 20 seconds for the belt shield. I think 20 seconds for the bed shield to fully go. Waiting on top, Clicky. It might be over for Clicky. What is Clicky gonna do? He needs to cook something up immediately.
Oh, I just fell.
Oh, Star cooking Clicky. Clicky dies again. Bed shield is gone. Clicky's bed is gone. If he kills
Kill
Clicky, it's
sections.
over.
Oh my god.
And Clicky dies, and the first point goes to Star.
Oh.
Alright, let's do that again. Alright, 1-0 to Star. Let's see what happens. Oh my god. Clicky, how you feeling?
I feel good.
Mind you, 3-minute victories.
Yeah. Only 2 emeralds. What kind of map did you pick, bro?
Alright, it's random now. I thought that was orange. Both with armor. Let's see with a diamond sword, but Star with iron armor and an iron sword. Like only with wood armor. Very interesting. Star leading up some M's. Oh, Star versus Clicky. It's close. Clicky getting. Oh, Star with 1 health. Star with exactly 1 health. Oh my god. How did Clicky fumble? The bed plating is
so bright
destroyed.
lad.
15 seconds. Star waiting on top. What is Clicky gonna do? Will he clutch this or will he kill Star? This is close. Can Clicky
Closer.
This is a close fight. Clicky dies again.
Where the fuck was
3
that,
seconds to
bro?
rain for the bed. Oh, the bed. Oh, the bed is gone, but Clicky killed Star. If Clicky dies, it is all over. And Star advances to the semi-finals. Clicky needs to cook. Alright? Star and Clicky, could this be the end? This could be the end. Clicky versus Star, both building up. Ooh. Oh, a lot of damage done by Star. I mean, Clicky does to Star. Oh, Clicky's finishing it. Clicky kills Star. Clicky's still in the game. Clicky sees Star. Will they fight? Could this be it for Clicky? Star with the bow. Shoots Clicky. Hits 1. Misses 1. Builds. Gets stuck in a wall. Oh, Clicky's running. Clicky's running for that bed. Star is missing. Bed plating has been removed. This is Clicky's opportunity. He's got Star's bed and looks like he's gonna get it. Star's bed is gone. Whoever dies next is out. Clicky with a better sword. Oh no. Alright, buddy. This could be it, the final fight. 1-0 to Star. Star misses. Star misses again. Clicky jumping. He's hunting Star down. Star, I think, only with a stone sword. Oh, Clicky. Clicky. He jumps down. Clicky's building. He's trying to hunt Star. Star is running. Star goes to his base. Star buys diamond armor. This could be it. It's who's him. The final fight. Clicky versus Star. Oh, Star perils away. Star's playing the safe. He has a better armor, but Clicky has a better sword. Star getting all of those M's. He wants that diamond sword to have the advantage on Clicky. He's running to base, I think, to buy the diamond sword. It might be over for Clicky here. Buys the diamond sword. Up gears Clicky and has a better sword, and Clicky is dead, and Star is the winner, winning 2-0 and advancing to the Chaos League Season 2 semifinal. GG's. And with the final score of 2-0, Star advances to the semifinals. Unfortunately, Clicky's eliminated. This time lasting only 1 round. But I mean, hey, it's the GOAT star, okay? This guy is unstoppable. Let's see, can he win and become season 2 champion? Okay, and he's done. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all next time. Bye bye.